For thousands of years, humanity looked to the stars and saw stories written in light. The zodiac, the planets, the dance of the heavens. Astrology called it fate. Modern science called it superstition. But today, at the frontier of quantum physics, a radical question is emerging. What if the old sky maps were pointing at something real? What if consciousness, the cosmos, and the quantum field are woven from the same fabric? This lecture is a journey across three frontiers: advanced astrology, quantum mechanics, and the search for alien life, and the strange, beautiful possibility that they are one and the same story. Every astrological chart is a map of the sky at the moment of birth, the sun, the moon, and the planets arranged against the 12 signs. But advanced astrology goes deeper. It reads the zodiac as a cosmic code. The angular relationships between planets, the rising sign that shapes the mask we wear, and the moon's nodes, tracing threads of meaning across a lifetime. Skeptics are right that gravity from distant planets is negligible. Yet the pattern language of the heavens may encode information, not force, information about timing, cycles, and resonance that classical physics has no words for. Quantum mechanics shattered the clockwork universe. At the smallest scales, particles exist in superposition, simultaneously here and there, this and that, until an observation collapses the wave function, and reality snaps into focus. Entanglement links particles across any distance, instantaneously, as if space itself were an illusion. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle sets a fundamental limit on what can be known at once. The quantum world is not deterministic. It is probabilistic, relational, and deeply interconnected. And that changes everything we thought we knew about causality, about information, and about mind. At the heart of quantum mechanics sits the observer. The act of measurement does not merely reveal reality, in a profound sense, it participates in creating it. The famous double-slit experiment shows that light behaves as a wave or a particle, depending on whether it is watched. Some interpretations go further. Consciousness may be the missing link between the quantum and the classical worlds. If observation shapes reality, then the ancient astrological idea that the heavens mirror the soul gains a startling new meaning. The stars may not push us, they may resonate with us. If the universe is so vast, and its laws so rich, where is everybody? Enrico Fermi asked this question in 1950, and we still have no answer. The galaxy contains hundreds of billions of stars, most with planets, many inhabitable zones, warmed by suns like our own. The Drake equation reminds us that the number of communicating civilizations could be immense. Yet the sky remains silent. The Great Silence is one of the deepest mysteries in science, a silence that quantum theory, strangely, may help us explain. What if alien intelligence does not think the way we do? Every technology we can imagine is built on classical physics, on signals, on matter, on energy. But a civilization that masters quantum mechanics could encode information in entangled states, computing in superposition, communicating through correlations that leave no classical trace. To us, such a civilization might be invisible, present, but undetectable by any instrument we can build. Perhaps the aliens are not hiding. Perhaps we simply cannot perceive a consciousness that operates beyond the classical veil. Now the three threads braid together. Astrology maps cosmic patterns onto human experience. Quantum physics reveals a universe of interconnection, observation, and possibility. And the search for alien life reminds us that consciousness may exist in forms we cannot yet imagine. In this unified vision, the horoscope is not a fortune-telling device, but an ancient interface, a symbolic language for resonance between the human mind and the quantum field. Modern explorers of this frontier speak of the cosmos as a living system, where every observer is a participant. So look up. The stars you see tonight are not distant machines ticking through empty space. They are nodes in a web of information, entanglement, and consciousness that we are only beginning to map. Whether the planets influence us through forces we do not yet understand, or whether they simply mirror a deeper order, the message is the same. We are not separate from the cosmos. We are the cosmos, observing itself. The next chapter of this story is being written now. Perhaps, somewhere among the stars, someone is writing it too. Thank you for watching.